Maribel, and today we're going to be creating a self-portrait. So I am currently in the mood to create a self-portrait, and this came along while I was preparing for a client photo shoot this evening. I was preparing my lights and making sure my V-flats were in place, and I was testing my lights, and I saw how pretty the light that was coming out of my camera was. It was ethereal, it was bright, it was high key, elegant and powerful. So I kind of feel inspired to do a self-portrait, and that's what I'm going to do now.